Well, hello, my name is Chris Johnston, and I am the Vice President of the Office of Advancement here with Goodwill Industries of Middle Georgia and the CSRA. Well, our Good Boats event, officially titled the Dragon Boat Festival, is an annual event created by Goodwill to basically demonstrate and for our Augusta audiences to create awareness for the mission of Goodwill, a part of our Goodwill Industries 111-year-old history here in America, where Dr. Reverend Helms created Goodwill to basically serve the disadvantaged and the disabled and provide for them the education, the training, and the services so that they may have meaningful work in our community. Our Dragon Boat Festival was created in partnership with the Chinese Consolidated Benevolent Association, who are incredible individuals and a wonderful team of volunteers who work with us during the course of the year to really plan and implement this event for our Augusta community. At the event, we have an incredible amount of volunteers which are brought together by our wonderful team, Ivy Hall and Nancy Browning, as well as Natalie Davis and a host of others, who for this year's event we had more than 150 volunteers, which was just an incredible amount of community support for this program. Those volunteers included moms and dads and brothers and sisters, family members, as well as members of the military and community leaders to really demonstrate their support for this event for the community.
And you row when you hear the drummer hit the paddles up. Row. Cat.
To your hips.
Cat.
Up to the.
That means row. Cat. Cat.
That's like kids what?
In front of you.
Cat.
Cheek forward.
Cat.
When they move, you
Cat.
move. Yeah.
You look.
front of you, watch two up and over from you. So watch their you got a team picture. All right. Obviously, you don't want to set this boat off sideways. You two kind of got the right hand.
You hear that? Make sure you win now. We win. Paddles up. Take us away.
Do this again. All together now. Ready? Weaver.
Paddles up.
Ready, ready.
Attention.
Attention, please.
Attention. Paddles up. Paddles up. Go.
Go. 1, 3, 2, 1.
Don't breathe. Don't breathe.
Ready?
Rolling contest. How did you lose? You guys Yep. We're going to go ahead with our award ceremony now, so I'm going to turn it back over to Chris Johnston.
All right, everyone. We would like to thank all of you for spending the great day with us here at the Good Boats Festival. There you go. There you go. It's been a wonderful day full of some fun races. Yeah? Some great food. Yeah? Some incredible entertainment on this very stage, yeah? And excellent shopping with our vendors, as well as the most important, all of you. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, everything that you've seen today was put together by our Good Boats team, including Cab Stitt, Ray Rufo, Gary Tom, many members of the Augusta Rowing Club, the Chinese Consolidated Benevolent Association, and Goodwill's own Ivy Hall, Nancy Browning and Natalie Davis. Give it up for both of them.
And let's not forget over 150 community volunteers, many from Fort Gordon, that have been here today, supporting every little piece of the event. And we appreciate all that all of you have done today to make this event so successful. The money raised from our event today will benefit the many individuals in our community that are looking for employment. So thank you for helping them go back to work.
Yeah. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a hush comes over the audience. The moment you've all been waiting for. Our award winners. The award for the most team spirit goes to GRU. Give it up for GRU.
Cab Stitt, will you please let us know the winners of today's Good Boats event?
All right, in fourth place, GRU with a mechanical malfunction, 2 minutes, 24.4 seconds. In third place, Augusta, USC Aiken, 126.7. In second place, with a time of 1:22.8, Dragon Boat Atlanta. Guess who won? By 1.5 seconds. 1:22. One up.
Sorry, I can't jump that.
Well, thank you all again for coming to the 2013 Good Boats Festival. We'll see you next year.